Angela Bliss with Angie's Art Asylum. I'm going to do another the bloom technique, but blow out one side and modify the other side. If you haven't already watched, there's another video. If you will check it out. It was the first one I did. This is the second one. Just got a 10 by 10 little hexagon canvas. It's really practicing, so I didn't want to go too big. Pillow paint here, pour it down. Make sure I have enough. Hope you guys are doing well and staying warm. It's a little chilly outside today. So I've got colors made up. I'm going to put down this, I think it is called, it is Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. And I've got this little Piggy Pigment Twilight, and I've got the Folk Art Treasure Gold Series Antique Copper, some 24 karat gold by Deco Art, and some Pearl Pink Tulip by Arteza. And I've got some white and black cell activator. They're the Amsterdam Titanium White, and I'm pretty sure it's Oxide Black. Yes, it is. So we're just going to put these paints down in a little puddle and then just blow them out and see what we get. Last one I did, I just used black. This one white. This one I'm gonna use black and white. Just to see what we get. I'm just gonna blow it out on cool and low fan. The hair dryer. Oh, that's pretty. Just kind of let it collect a little bit. I'm just going to use a skewer, well, a chopstick, a wooden chopstick, to modify it a little bit. Purple, it's really pretty. Okay, let's see how we're gonna do this. So we have enough to bling off the edges. I really like these. They're really pretty. Okay. I'm going to have a little bit of negative space, I think. Just going to tilt this way just a little. We're going to spin it. Whoa. Got lopsided there. Got some air bubbles. I like that. It's really, really cool. These are going to be really fun to do on bigger canvases. I'm just doing some experimenting right now. Just getting some of these little white blobs out of here that I don't want. No. Yeah, I've got some air in my paint, bubbles in my paint. So this one's pretty amazing. The sangria and the pink mixed together with the gold is really pretty. The black cell activator gave some definite distinction in the lacing. It's really pretty. And I love the modification on one side and the bloom on the other. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments. And as always, there will be a dried result at the end of the video. So I will see you guys when we do the dry flyover. Again, like I said, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. I think it's absolutely wow, quite beautiful. So thank you guys for watching. Look at this beauty. Oh, it's so pretty. I wish you could see the gold like I can. It's amazing. It's hard to see. Modified the bloom a little bit, blew out one side and then modified the other side and just kind of spun it out. I absolutely love it. Purple is my favorite color. So yeah, it's pretty amazing. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video and staying around. If you like the content, please subscribe so that you get all the notifications when I post more videos. Stay safe, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.